are the type that struggle with head wrap style, that you don't like to create it by yourself because you feel it is difficult. You see, this tutorial is going to let you change your mindset about tying head wrap. So come closer, let's get into it. Stuff, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to be using. This is aso-oke, 3 layers joint, aso-oke, and it's a bit hard. Yeah, it's hard somehow. I don't know if you can hear the sound. It's a bit hard, and we're going to be controlling it. It's not going to be controlling it, so we're going to be controlling it. So I want to twist, so I'll just grab it straight like this. Okay? So this is it. It's still long at the down part. So I'm going to go like this, then I'll stop here. Okay? Like I said, it's hard, but we're going to be controlling it. So if you add a soft material, it becomes more easier for you to do than trying it out with hard material. But let's see the outcome using hard material like mine. You see, like this, generally like this. So I'm going to place right here. I'm going to place right here, keeping this little one around here. I'm going to come. Just watching, can you see? This one, like this. It's coming in here. All of this is coming in here. Yeah. So, yeah. Let's tighten a bit. So this, I'll make sure it falls at the center. Okay, and this is going to be stretched out. Stretch out. And I'm directing to the back. No panic. So we're going to go like this. Notice that my mic wasn't functioning. I just grab it off now. So I'm just going to grab the middle part off like this. Right up. Like this. And we're going to pin. With a pin. We'll grab it down. Perfect. Right. So we have this. Down like this. And we pin down. We pin down. Okay. Just hit both. Pin.
Wake up to the sound of dreams on the screen. Cup of coffee warm where the plans have been. Click and flash, a world to unfold. Chasing the moment